What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the recliner handle on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I want to remove this handle. I'm just going to take a right angle pick. I'm going to have to hold this handle up while I do this, and then from the back side, use the pick, get underneath there. Once you get it past, then it'll slide right off. And just ruin the plastic a little bit, but it'll be okay. Now to install this handle, I'm just gonna pull up on this lever. It's kind of hard to do this. Just gotta muscle it up a little bit. And slide this in position. Just like that. Lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.